For some of you, I know Thanksgiving and Christmas are kind of a stressful time of year. And for some people, it's even a very depressing time of year. In fact, how many of you are going to be cooking turkeys tomorrow? For some of you, that's even stressful. Is it going to turn out right? So I know there can be some times when you're having these kind of holidays, there can be lots of pressure and sometimes a lot of disappointments and discouragement. So somebody, I don't know when it was, a couple of weeks ago, they sent me this email about how to take all the stress out of cooking a turkey. So I want to share that with you. First of all, you go and you buy a turkey, and then you take a drink of whiskey. And then you put the turkey in the oven, and then you take another 2 drinks of whiskey. And then you set the degree at 375 ovens, and you take 3 more whiskeys of drink, and then you turn oven the on, and you take 4 whisks of drinky, and you turk the basti. And then you whiskey another bottle of Get, and you stick a turkey in the thermometer, and you glass yourself a pour of whiskey. And you bake the whiskey for 4 hours. And then you take the oven out of the turkey, and you take the oven out of the turkey, and you take the oven out of the turkey. And then you floor the turkey up off the pick, and you turk the carby. And you get yourself another Scott of Botch. And then you tet the sable and pour yourself a glass of turkey. And then you bless the saying, pass and eat out. And that's guaranteed to take all the stress out of cooking a turkey, I'm telling you, okay? Let me do that with one eye closed.